Imo.
We've been married for 4 years. We have been climbing for 10 years.
10 years.
We started climbing in Colorado, and our adventures took us to many other locations. Down in New Mexico,
Utah, Arizona, Wyoming,
California, South Dakota, Thailand for our honeymoon.
New Zealand on a study abroad while I was studying this abroad, and Australia as well.
Yep. We started this adventure saying, oh, we're gonna go on a rock climbing road trip, and ended up in Utah. So our road trip is kind of just Utah, so we could have went so many other places, and we chose to be here. I think for me the adventure of rock climbing started here because we kind of adventured all of a sudden into Maple Canyon. One of the first places we had no idea even existed, and then we just found it randomly, and so that kind of is what Maple Canyon is for us, is this random adventure.
Little oasis in the middle of nowhere. You get out of it what you put into it, right? Because if you're not training similar to if you're not putting effort into your relationship, you're probably not going to get the results that you're looking for. And I think a lion's share of people that are into climbing are results-driven individuals that are looking for that sense of accomplishment, and you can have that in both a relationship and in climbing. And it is the best feeling when you get what you're looking for, when you share the memories you're hoping to share with the person that you're with, and you get to have those for long term, which is huge.
We talk a lot about how climbing has so much to do with being there for the person, always counting on them because you need a catch. I think that's kind of what a relationship is. Our relationship has always been, is we're always there for each other. Hopefully forever.
Why do you say that? I have my doubts sometimes. I wonder.
I mean, I'm not sure it'll be continuously like best climbing of my life climbing, but I think, I see people out here, like especially now, there's probably a couple that's in their 60s, 70s climbing. That could be us.